How to log in to the Wells Fargo Employee Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Wells Fargo's Employee Portal. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for the Wells Fargo Employee Portal. After you search for that, scroll down a bit and you'll find this website that is self-service portal. Open that up. After you open that up, all you have to do is enter your Wells Fargo's email. So enter your Wells Fargo's email. So let's say it's something at the rate wellsfargo.com. This is just an example. Hit next, and here you will need to go through a captcha. So let's get through the captcha. And after you do that, you'll then need to type in your password. So after you type in your password, you'll then be logged in into your account, and it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye.